Welcome back to this tutorial series. On this video, we'll be going over quarterly grades, which can be located in the Patient Therapy tab. Simply click on the quarterly grades, and this menu will show up. Here you can select the annual goals, as well as search, and simply choose the goal. I'll be going over this screen entirely. First off, we have the help menu. I've gone over this many times. PDF and video guides are inside of here. Simply click on them. Next off, we have the done or finalize. This will save to this patient once you have filled all of this out. Next off, you have select grade. This will bring previous grades to this. For example, if I were to click on this, it would bring these objectives and grades in. Next off, we have write to grade note. This will add notes to this patient with these grades. Annual goals, click here. And you can choose different goals. Of course, you can still search, press done to finalize. Copy from patient history. This will bring different histories upon this character for here and here. You can select all and clear all, press done to save, and copy a previous level of performance. This will insert text into the present level of performance, which you can bring up. Next off, we have electronically signed. I will go on a separate video on how to electronically sign thoroughly. It is quite a long process. Next off, we have current objective and daily therapy, as well as current annual goals. This is text you can add to this. The current annual goals also has an annual goal date, and the current objective daily therapy also has text to add for this. The current objective changes on what you have chosen, as you can see, and the goal grade remarks to add for notes for the specific objective. The present level of performance is notes for how they are doing with these objectives. And the criteria and the status and the current right here and the calculated affects what objective you have. As you can see, it changes. The status is the right here, far right. Continued, discontinued, mastered, non-initiated. And the current is the grade for this, as you can see. On the bottom left hand corner, you have the objectives. You can change these different objectives to match up what you need. You can make these as big as possible. Same thing with the calculated grades. After the objectives, you have the mastery criteria, the grades, the calculated grades, the status, and the dates for each objective. So for Josh, you will pose finger demonstrations. He did this on the 8th of 13th. And made 100 on this next day, or 2 days later he made another 100 for this, as you can see. And you simply can edit these texts anytime you want to. So their overall grade being 85, you're going to calculate in right here. Of course, you can change these too. And that will be all for